Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing HeyReach, a LinkedIn automation tool designed to help you scale outreach safely and get more replies without risking your accounts. We'll walk through the key features, pricing, pros, and the areas they could improve, so you'll know exactly whether it fits your workflow. This isn't a sponsored video; it's a neutral, research-based look at what HeyReach does really well and where it's headed. HeyReach is a cloud-based LinkedIn automation platform built for agencies, SDR teams, and founders who run multiple accounts. It helps you automate personalized messages, connection requests, and follow-ups while keeping your profile safe. The team has been shipping updates very quickly, adding new features like smart inbox and AI messaging feature that makes it one of the most forward-thinking outreach tool in 2025. I just logged into HeyReach dashboard, and I would like to say one of the best features about HeyReach is multi-account scaling. You can manage dozens of LinkedIn accounts from one dashboard, each with its own proxy and environment, so everything looks 100% human to LinkedIn. The layout is clean and easy to monitor and built with agencies in mind. For anyone running outreach for clients or multiple founders, this saves hours every week. You get control and safety without getting constant logins. Safety is where HeyReach really earns the trust. Every account warms up gradually with random activity limits and unique IP addresses. It's clear that developers put a lot of thoughts into keeping automation human-like. If you try to push the limit too aggressively, the platform automatically pauses the campaign, which protects your profile. Even if it slows the volume slightly, that's a smart trade-off to keep your account safe. Next, I'll show you how to create a campaign. First, start with new campaign. I'll name it test. I'll create a new list, call it like just new list. Pick a LinkedIn account you're going to use, and there are a lot of templates also available. So let's start with one new connection nurture. It's one of our favorite templates. Let's go ahead and confirm. As you can see, there's a massive flow of everything from sending connection requests to adding a follow-up messages, liking the post, commenting on the post, following up with a specific message, viewing their LinkedIn profile. Everything here is in detail. The visual campaign builder is straightforward drag and drop. You can add like connection, follow-up, messages, in mail, and everything, and personalize each one specifically. It's built for clarity over complexity, which many other tools are doing at the moment. You can clone templates, A/B test messages, track performance per campaign. I would also love to see deeper conditional logic in the future, but for most users, this simplicity means you can launch campaign in minutes. Now we are inside Unibox. You can connect multiple LinkedIn accounts. As you can see, I've connected Prerna as currently, and I can just tap on any messages and start conversation from here right here. I can search the email address, add a tag, and you can add multiple features, which is very essential for doing a lot of conversation daily. As you can see, it is made specifically for outreach specialists who run agencies, who want to do generate lead, who want to keep track of all the conversation which is happening. Pricing starts at around $79 per month for a single account. In the starter plan, and $1,000 per month for agency plans with 50 LinkedIn accounts. It sits in the middle range of LinkedIn automation pricing, fair considering the safety system and multi-account control you get. For agency, it replaces several tools, so it ends up being great value overall. Next, let's talk about pros. It has excellent multi-account setup and scalability, which you can see using Unibox and everything. Reliable safety and warm-up automations. Once you connect your LinkedIn account, you can just add the warm-up feature. It gradually increases the connection request limit to the point whichever LinkedIn premium account you have, it will send the adequate numbers of connection requests so that your account doesn't get banned. Next, unified inbox. As you can see in the last clip, we you can add multiple LinkedIn accounts and keep track of all the conversation which is happening and reply directly from HeyReach dashboard and add tags, create snippets, and do a lot of things. Based on that, it's specifically made for outreach specialists who are reaching out to a lot of people on LinkedIn. And fourth, constant software updates and responsive team. I've tried to reach out to them multiple times and they replied back to me probably within like 15 minutes. So I feel it is one of the best customer support in the market for LinkedIn automations. Fifth, balance pricing for professional users. It starts from $79 per month for standard account and $1,000 per month for 50 LinkedIn account agency plan. Here's where HeyReach could improve. First, deeper analytics and conversion metrics. Second, AI replies for conversation. They already got the information about the person's LinkedIn profile and the conversation which had. If they can implement AI and reply to this conversation based on certain metrics or based on some prompts, which is very specifically on sell by chat principles, that would be great. Third, there's no omni-channel outreach. If they could connect LinkedIn and email together, that would be the best thing that could happen. HeyReach is ideal for agencies, freelancers, and founders managing several LinkedIn profiles. If you're running high volume outreach and needed control, it's a strong choice. For individual users, you could start with a smaller plan and then grow into multi-account automation later. Here's my final verdict. I would rate HeyReach a solid 9 out of 10. It focuses on doing three things extremely well: being safe, being scalable LinkedIn outreach, and continuously improving fast. If you want to grow a LinkedIn account without worrying about bans or constant logins, this is one of the safest and most polished option available at the moment. If you want to test HeyReach, I've linked a free trial below. That's an affiliate link which helps support the channel at no extra cost for you. But the review is 100% independent. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment which LinkedIn or outreach tool you want me to explore next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.